Imagine an alien life form, not on Mars or Jupiter, but hiding in the deep sea. It changes color and shape in milliseconds, has no bones yet slips through holes the size of a coin, and, oh yes, it has 3 beating hearts and bright blue blood. Welcome to the world of the octopus, Earth's most mind-bending mollusk. This isn't just a creature, it's a riddle wrapped in arms. Scientists believe octopuses have been around for at least 300 million years, older than dinosaurs, older than trees. Yet their bodies are so strange, so unlike anything else on Earth, that studying them often feels like researching life from another planet. Let's dive deep into 5 amazing truths about the octopus that will leave you equal parts amazed and slightly creeped out, in the best way. Here's something most marine biologists agree on: the octopus didn't get the normal evolution memo. For starters, they have 3 hearts. 2 of them pump blood through the gills, picking up oxygen from seawater. The 3rd pumps oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. Strangely, that 3rd heart stops beating when the octopus swims. Yes, it literally takes a rest mid-stroke. Why blue blood? Octopuses don't use iron-based hemoglobin like us. They use a copper-based molecule called hemocyanin to carry oxygen, which turns their blood a deep, icy blue. It's actually more efficient in cold, low-oxygen environments, perfect for the dark ocean depths where many octopuses live. These traits aren't just cool trivia, they're adaptations millions of years in the making. The blue blood helps them survive freezing, low-oxygen habitats. The triple hearts are like a backup system, ensuring no matter what, the octopus keeps going. Quick story: in 2016, researchers studying the deep-sea Dumbo octopus found it calmly pulsing its transparent hearts at 13,000 feet below sea level. No panic. No rush. Just smooth, otherworldly motion. 3 hearts. 1 mission: survival in the abyss. This ancient design has worked for hundreds of millions of years. It's not just bizarre, it's brilliant. Imagine being able to change your skin's color, texture, and pattern in less than a second. The octopus doesn't imagine, it does. Their skin is lined with chromatophores, tiny pigment-filled sacs controlled by muscles. By expanding or contracting these, the octopus can shift between bright coral pinks, mottled browns, ghostly whites, or deep ocean blues. Some even mimic seaweed, rocks, or other animals. The mimic octopus, for instance, impersonates lionfish, sea snakes, and flatfish, all to confuse predators or sneak up on prey. Here's a wild experiment. Scientists placed octopuses in a tank with different backgrounds, sand, pebbles, shells, and watched them adapt instantly. The transformation wasn't just skin deep, they raised bumps or smoothed out depending on the texture around them. No makeup. No costumes. Just pure neural control of body pigmentation. The crazy part? All this is controlled by their skin and nerves, sometimes even without help from the brain. In a way, their skin can see and react. Think about that. An octopus can vanish before your eyes, become the reef, and slip into shadow, all in silence. No Hollywood VFX required. Okay, here's where it gets truly strange. Octopuses have 9 brains. Kind of. They have a central brain between their eyes, but also a mini brain in each arm. These arms can taste, touch, and move independently, sometimes solving problems without asking the central brain for permission. In one experiment, an octopus was given a puzzle box with food inside. Each arm worked a different part of the puzzle, communicating in a way scientists still don't fully understand. It's like having 8 smart assistants plus a manager. Even more wild, if you cut off an arm, don't worry, they grow back. It can continue moving, exploring, and reacting for minutes. Neuroscientists love octopuses because their brains evolved entirely separately from ours, yet they still solve mazes, use tools, and even recognize human faces. One lab worker reported an octopus squirting water only at the scientist who annoyed it. Coincidence? Maybe. Grudge-holding sea genius? Also likely. Octopuses challenge our definition of intelligence. They're not social, they don't build cities, but they're brilliant in their own alien way. Forget prison breaks. Octopuses are masters of escape, no bones, no problem. They can squeeze through holes the size of a quarter. Their only hard part is their beak. If the beak fits, they're gone. At the National Aquarium of New Zealand, an octopus named Inky famously escaped his tank, slid across the floor, and disappeared through a tiny pipe into the ocean. He was never seen again. Houdini would have been jealous. Aquarium workers now lock octopus tanks with weights and clips. Why? Because many octopuses figure out how to open lids, unplug filters, and even squirt water at lights to short-circuit them. It's not just escape, they're curious. They explore, open jars, and play with toys. Scientists have watched them solve puzzles in reverse just to return a toy to its container. If you gave an octopus a fidget spinner, it'd probably use it to unscrew your aquarium lid. Octopuses are old. Really old. Their ancestors go back 300 million years, possibly more. Fossils of early cephalopods show spiral shells and primitive tentacles. Over millennia, they ditched the shell, gained ink, and spread across oceans. They've survived mass extinctions, shifting continents, and ice ages. Unlike dinosaurs, they adapted fast, changing shape, behavior, and biology to fit the times. One deep-sea species, the Granulidone boreopacifica, holds the record for longest egg brooding of any known animal, 4.5 years. The mother doesn't eat during this time, just guards the eggs in a deep-sea cave until they hatch. Talk about commitment. Octopuses aren't just quirky, they're enduring. Their weirdness is a blueprint for survival. In a way, they're living proof that strange can be strong. And while we may only be scratching the surface of their intelligence and biology, every new discovery brings awe and wonder. If Earth's oceans hide aliens, the octopus might be the closest thing we've found. Was it the blue blood? The camouflage? Or their prison break stories? Drop a comment below, what surprised you the most about the octopus? And if you'd like more videos that uncover nature's wildest designs, give this video a thumbs up, share it with curious friends, and subscribe for more. Until next time, stay weird, stay wild, and remember, intelligence comes in many shapes, sometimes with suckers.